guys, I'm about to chat over today. We're trying to start taking out this transmission on the semi. I don't know how far we're gonna get with it. Kind of just got off of work and stuff, so I'm just kind of just doing a little work here and there. Rango, I'm just waiting on parts, so we're not working on Rango today. So gotta get ready for the engine to come. Engine's coming next week. I got a guy who's gonna rent us a forklift for a really good price. So listen, I'll give you guys all the names of all the places. We also got some surprise with Rango possibly. This could be Rango's very last race, possibly, depending how this goes, but we'll see how that goes when we get there. But for right now, let's get to work on this transmission and see what we gotta get off and on. I've already unplugged this guy here, that one right here. I gotta unplug those lines, so I'm doing that last. Guy's probably gonna make a mess, probably, it's my guess. And then there's some lines up here we gotta get off, so there's the lines like right here, there. You guys probably can't see well because it's freaking dark up here, but down here you guys see pretty well. And then we got these 16 volts on the, what do you call that? On the bell housing, and we're gonna use our regular car jack to lift this thing down, which should work. So I watched the guy do it. It's only 500 pounds. I think that's like a 2-ton jack, so this should be enough to get this off, and I've seen some guy do it. And we're on good old plywood, right? This is a good old garage. This is our garage, and back here the whole place is our garage. So enough about jibber jabbering. I'm gonna keep going through this now. Alright, so first I'm gonna see how tight these bolts are up here. I'm not quite sure how tight they are. I tried a little bit just a second ago. It didn't go as well as I wanted to, so we're gonna try it out again with a breaker bar. See how it goes. Who knows? Maybe it goes out good. Who knows? The other breaker bar I gotta find it. But this for now will at least give me an insight if it's that tight where even this size breaker bar can't do it. Just give me a good insight. Alright, it's not terrible, but they're tight. They're on there good. Next thing's next is gonna be disconnecting all of these wires. Make sure these are all out of the way. Nothing's gonna get tugged down with this. This is an automatic transmission, but it's a manual transmission, which I'm saying that because there's actually a clutch in here. It is automatic, it does shift on its own, which is why it has, I'm assuming why it has this thing and another thing on top, which is not on the guy's video. But this does have a clutch in it. It is automatic. Don't ask me how it works exactly. I'll tell you how it works after I get it out, and then actually look at all the wiring and all that stuff, and then I can tell you. But for right now, we're gonna get this baby out and see what we can do. Because, yeah. This thing's this is basically weighs as much as a regular engine. The engine on this thing weighs 3,100 pounds. The transmission weighs 500 pounds. 500 pounds is usually a LS or a small block Chevy fully put together. So, put that in perspective. Alright, I don't know how heavy this freaking thing is. It's probably heavy, my guess. You know, everything on this truck is heavy, so I hope I don't get crushed by this thing. I should really probably lift up that first before I try this, but for your guys' entertainment, watch me get crushed by a big drive shaft. Oh, of course there is. 18, I assumed right. Oh, it's going up. Alright, how far until we're off this thing? Okay. Alright guys, so I'm kinda doing it this way. I'm shoving this right through here. And then this is just locking it up for me, which works out for me. And actually, oh damn it, where did I put the, oh, it's on the drill, or the impact. So all I'm doing is just going like this, get it on, twist, 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 don't get hit in the head by a rod. I think I can set it up a little better, but it's okay. Damn it, hold on. I had it set up a little better before, hold on. Alright, so just position my arm to where we got the jack set up right here. So hopefully we don't get murdered by a, so we don't get murdered by this thing here. Alright, now I gotta squeeze past this thing. Shaft is down in all corners of it. Oh, there goes that. We are down. 100% down. Thank God I have that on there. Am I nut in here still? Yep. Now we gotta try to get out of here. Alright guys, so there's the transmission. I don't know if you guys were seeing it before or not, but there she is. That is the girl we're gotta get out. So let's go on over here, see what we got. We got the airline off of there, some wires, some more wires up on top of there, which you might be able to get those off like as we go down. So as this transmission is full, that'd be very bad if it falls with these wires connected, but I think for the majority we can probably just disconnect them little by little as it comes down. So first I gotta take these two off, which looks like pretty cool. They're actually color coded. Blue goes to that. But so I got this, at least a video cord at least to show me. This is all just a harness besides maybe this wire right here, but that goes back there. And then you just gotta take off this line, that, and I believe everything else can actually stay, because I think everything else, like I said, is part of the harness. I might not have to remove that actually. So take apart things a little bit and we'll figure it out. I made this little spacer right here because I wasn't letting it touch it, so alright, I believe we got all the bolts out now. It's time to see if the transmission comes out easily or not. I gotta look up here one more time just to double check. Alright, we looked all clear. Alright, let's see what happens here, guys. Alright, so we got the transmission out here. It's a huge ass input shaft. Like, look at this input shaft. Freaking huge. That thing up there looks pretty good. This is, yeah, it looks fairly new, to be honest, but not actually, so I'm not gonna go with that. But yeah, so we've got the transmission out here, and see if we do anything else. I think I'm gonna go move on to Rango probably right now. Alright guys, so this is the next day basically of doing the truck here. We do got the transmission down. As you can see, it tipped over. I can't get it back up. It's 500 pounds, and yeah. Now, me and my father could probably do it. He could probably help me out. I can push the front. He can go on top of the back of it and push it down, but it's not leaking. It's really dripping a little bit of oil out of the residual from the cooling ports and stuff. I see right there, a little spot right there. But that's what we got underneath here, guys. Oh, hold on. Let's see if I can show you guys. See that? So that's our clutch right there. We gotta get off as well, but we're gonna wait for that. But that's the clutch. That's the transmission. Once again, a huge thing there. Anything else with this thing? Yeah, it's really good. Right now, she's just sitting like this because, yeah, this thing's heavy, and I need to find a way to really get this thing to might have to buy another jack, and I might have to figure out how to get this thing transferred to the other jack, but that's another story. One plan I have is to get the engine out with a forklift, and then maybe get the forklift to get the transmission out, and then reposition the onto another jack for that thing, made for that thing actually, not just, you know, because that thing is heavy as hell. It's a full engine. Like I said, I can semi-lift it. Not like, you know, I probably couldn't carry it, but, you know, I can lift up half of it. But with the way it's positions itself, it does not go well. It just, I push it up, it slides, it starts sliding backwards more, and then it lands on the thing again. So, yeah, not gonna do that. So yeah, listen, that's it for this video. We got the transmission down, and that's really all we got right now. And really, we're just pretty much gonna wait to really get the engine out, which we gotta wait for the new engine to come, because when we get the new engine, we're gonna rent the forklift, so you get to do a one-time forklift rental, and just, you know, one time here, stay for like 5 days, and then leave. So that's the idea for that. So listen, if you guys enjoy these videos and stuff like that, leave a like down below. Comment down below if you guys have any advice, or just let me know a good memory that you had driving cars and best memory you've had with them. And else as well, subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow your dreams, don't let them get in your way, and I'll see you guys in the next one.